I'm asked to draw a triangle ABC where the length of BC is 6 centimetres and I'm given the measure of two angles. ABC is to be 43 degrees and the angle ACB is to be 74 degrees. So the first thing I'll do is I'll draw a freehand diagram and put in that information. So the triangle is to be called ABC and BC is 6 centimetres. It'll be handy if I make BC the base. So I'll put that 6 centimetres and this point up here will have to be A. The angle ABC is 43 degrees. The angle is always at the centre letter. That's where the angle actually is. The vertex or the point of the angle. So that's 43 degrees. And then over here, the angle will be at C, this point here. So this is to be 74 degrees. Now you can see I have, this is what this here means, an angle, a side and an angle. And the side is between the two angles. The vertices of the two angles. So now I'll follow this diagram to draw the accurate diagram. First I'll make BC. I'll put a dot at the 0 of the ruler and a dot at the 6 of the ruler, and I'll join those two dots, the ruler centimetres of course. So that's B, and that's C, and that's 6 centimetres. Next, I'll use the polyMath as a protractor, and I'll make an angle of 43 degrees. It's here, so it'll be here. So I put the little arrow of the protractor here, just that little arrow, and the line BC just along the 0 of the protractor, and I'll count 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, and I'll put a dot there. That's the dot there. Now I'll join B to that dot. Sure you're actually going through the points you want. And that angle there is 43 degrees. Now I'll make the angle of 74 degrees here. So I'll put the protractor again in position, push the little arrow there at C. And the 0 line along the line, and I'll count 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, and I'll put a dot at 74. That's that dot there. I'll just make the dot a little bit bigger so as you can see it. There, it's the beginning of it there. So I'll join C to that. Now just get it exact as you can. That's on C anyway, so now. Yes, that's okay. So now that's 74 degrees. So now you can see those two lines crossed each other, and the point of intersection, that point there, that's the point A. So now we have our triangle ABC. All we've got to do is go back and check with the writing that you have actually done what was asked. So it's a triangle ABC. The length of BC is supposed to be 6 centimeters, and it is. The angle ABC, which is the angle at B, the middle letter, that's 43 degrees. And the angle ACB is to be 74 degrees. So we've done everything that they asked, and that's our triangle.